data, see shortcut is Control Shift right arrow down arrow. If you say Control C and you say Control V. Okay. See what will happen is Excel will copy and paste all the things that are mentioned over here to this place over here. Okay, that's what Excel will do. Right? But if you want to control that, okay, I don't want to paste everything. So if you say Control C and select the cell, see, don't click on paste, click on the little arrow of paste and say paste special. So when you say paste special, this dialog box opens up. And over here, I will say I want to paste special the values. See, when you say values, see, only values will come, no formatting, no formula, nothing. Yep. Then everyone. See, now I'll tell you a shortcut of this. So if you select this data and if I say copy, see, a shortcut for that is if you press Alt E S, right? A shortcut is Alt E S. I'm putting it in the chat. So right, Agiri, that's what you mentioned. Alt E S. See, when you press Alt E S, this dialog box will open up. Okay. Now, whatever you want to paste, you will see, first of all, every shortcut is underlined. Every word is underlined over here, whatever you want to paste. Suppose if you click on V, you want to paste values, you press V and OK. Right? Here itself, if I say Alt E S, now if you press P, see, formatting is pasted. Okay. So you will actually find all the shortcuts are here now. You want to press, you want to paste formulas, you press F. Just try. Yep. So the shortcut is, see, what you do is if you are copying the data from here, right? If you copy something from here and you select, you want to paste it over here, see, you have to use the shortcut as Alt E S. Once you do that shortcut, Alt E S, this paste special window opens up. If you want to paste only the values, see, whatever word is underlined, you press V. Values, these are the values. If I say Alt E S, you say T, that is for formatting. You click on OK, format is applied. Okay. Oh, thanks for it. So this part is clear to everyone. Now we are working with this paste, copy, paste. Yep. See, now, when we talk about this paste special, this is a very interesting feature that you have. In fact, what happened is, suppose I have some numbers with me, right? Suppose I have some sales figures. Okay, you can please save these. If I put these numbers over here, now suppose in all these numbers, I want to add 500. I want to add 500 in all these numbers. You can actually do that with this copy paste itself. So if you copy this number, and you select the range, you say Alt ES. See, here you have an option of add. So if you click on add, see, this 500 will be added and you will notice the number is increased, become 1500, 2500, 3500, like that. Okay. The command was this, like if you have these numbers, you select the range, you copy this number. You copy this number that you want to add, select this range, Alt ES, same shortcut, Alt ES, right? And over there, Alt ES, you will say add. So when you say add, see that 500 will be added in all these numbers. See, you have to use the option key in that case. So you will have this option key, then you can just use that E and S, that will work. Okay, option E and S on the Mac. You I would have added the 500 twice, I guess. Yes, that could be the case. Yep. Okay. So now everyone, what I will do over here is I will be guiding you about. So this is clear. Any question till this point? Anyone? See, the number gets added like this. Like for example, so this was the number. So you have made the range 1000. Okay. So what we do is you pick the number from here, copy this number, and select the range Alt ES, and you will use add option like that. See, Alt ES is a shortcut, right? Alt ES, like basically, if I was so in your case, you will have to use the option of option key on the Mac, option key ES, right? See what happens, the shortcut, there's the reason this shortcut is used because this gives you a lot of things. Like if this is the data that you have, if I'm copying this data from here, okay, if I'm copying this data and you want to paste, but you paste, instead of doing a paste, you use the paste special. So if you will say Alt ES, it will open that window for you. Okay, what do you want to paste? So do you want to paste the values? So if you say just the values, see, right? I select the values and I click OK. Only values will come, but not the formatting and all, right? See, the formatting and all is not pasted. And if you say Alt ES, now you press for select formats also, it will give you formatting as well.